Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by preparing your game files and account. Run American Truck Simulator once so Steam creates a default profile and updates core files. Next, close Steam and backup the profile folder located in Documents /American Truck Simulator to a safe place. Confirm your ATS installation path is C/program files x86 /Steam/Steamapps /Common/American Truck Simulator so launchers can detect it. Make sure the game is fully updated through Steam and install the community multiplayer mod. Visit the Truckers MP launcher page to download the launcher and installer, then run the installer as administrator. Create a Truckers MP account and verify your email address so you can log into the launcher. When prompted, point the launcher to your ATS install folder at C/program files x86 /Steam/Steamapps /Common/American Truck Simulator and allow it to patch files to the required mod version. If versions mismatch, update Steam or wait for a mod patch. Always keep a backup of your original profile. To play with friends, open the Truckers MP launcher, choose American Truck Simulator, and select a public or private server that matches your group. Coordinate time, spawn town, and convoy rules in advance. Set a speed limiter and agreed safe following distances to reduce accidents. Use Discord or the in-game chat for real-time communication and agree on hand signals like flashers or brake lights before maneuvers. When ready, spawn near each other. Form a convoy lane and follow traffic rules while using parking, rest, and refuel stops as a unit.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.